Over 50. Stubborn belly fat and deep visceral fat can feel impossible to lose, slowing your metabolism and draining your daily energy. You don't need exhausting workouts or high-impact jumping. This gentle 15-minute Tai Chi walking routine activates your core, melts deep visceral fat, and restores your vitality in just 2 weeks. Exercise 1. Step and overhead arm opening. Step rhythmically in place. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Reach straight up and open them wide to the sides. This rhythmic stepping boosts blood circulation, activates the deep abdominal muscles to stimulate fat burning, and fully expands the ribcage to release upper back stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Step and forward arm swing. Keep stepping in place while swinging both arms straight up and forward with steady control. This continuous upward reach engages your entire abdominal wall, accelerates visceral fat breakdown, and strengthens your shoulder joints without any joint strain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Heel tap with chest hug and arm swing. Tap your heel forward with the front leg straight and back knee softly bent. Hug your chest tightly, then swing both arms open wide. This dynamic shift activates your lower abdominal muscles, ignites visceral fat burning, and gently mobilizes the thoracic spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Lunge and forward punch. Step one leg back into a gentle lunge and punch both arms straight forward, alternating sides smoothly. This gentle power movement fires up the large muscle groups in your legs and core, maximizing visceral fat loss while improving balance and stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Hip twist with arm swing. Twist your hips gently side to side while swinging both arms downward in the opposite direction. This rhythmic twisting directly wrings out visceral fat around your waistline, stimulates digestive vitality, and loosens tight lower back muscles. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Back toe tap with arm reach. Tap one toe back while keeping your weight on the front leg. Twist your torso and extend your arms straight behind with your eyes following your hand. This full body spiral stretch activates your deep oblique muscles to burn stubborn fat and opens the spine completely. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 7. Mountain climber step with overhead reach. Step into a steady mountain climber step. Extend your arms straight overhead and turn your palms upward to press toward the sky. This full body elongation engages your deep abdominal wall to accelerate visceral fat burning, stimulates meridian flow along the spine, and relieves tension in the lower back and shoulders. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 8. Standing forward bend with arm opening. Stand with feet apart. Bring palms together at your chest. Bend forward to touch the floor. Open your arms wide to the sides and return to standing. This folding and opening motion compresses and massages abdominal organs to melt deep visceral fat, boosts digestive health, and increases flexibility throughout your hamstrings and spine. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 9. Lunge with arm circles. Hold a steady lunge while sweeping both straight arms in large alternating circles from side to side. Maintaining the lunge forces your core to stabilize, torching visceral fat while the circular arm sweeps expand lung capacity and lubricate stiff shoulder joints. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 10. Chest expansion and neck lift. Stand shoulder width apart with palms together. Bend your elbows parallel to open wide. Lift your chest and lift gently upward. Opening the chest stimulates upper core engagement to break down visceral fat, realigns forward head posture, and releases tension across your neck and collarbone. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 11. Wing stretch with abdominal crunch. Stand shoulder width apart. Cross your arms in front. Reach straight up. Open them wide like wings and add a gentle abdominal crunch. The combination of overhead wing expansion and controlled core crunching directly crushes visceral fat, strengthens your entire abdominal wall, and restores spinal mobility. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Hip twist with alternating arm swings. Twist your hips gently side to side while swinging your arms rhythmically up and down in alternating motions. This rhythmic pelvic and arm coordination activates deep waist obliques to melt stubborn visceral fat, enhances lymphatic drainage, and releases stiffness in the hips. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Half squat with overhead clap. Lower into a gentle half squat with arms extended straight forward. Then slowly stand up and clap your hands overhead. This fluid rise and fall engages the large muscles in your thighs and core to burn deep visceral fat, boosts circulation and strengthens knee stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Side to side weight shift stretch. Hold a half squat with arms crossed in front of your chest. Shift your weight gently to the left and straighten the right leg with your heel touching the ground, alternating sides. This side-to-side shift tightens the lower abdomen to target visceral fat, stretches inner thighs, and improves hip mobility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Bent arm torso twist. Stand shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows at shoulder height in front of your chest. And twist your upper body smoothly to each side while looking back. This deliberate twisting wrings out stubborn belly and visceral fat, stimulates internal organ digestion, and unlocks thoracic spine stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Meridian Leg Patting. Stand with feet apart, bend forward, and gently pat down the outer legs to your ankles, then pat back up. This soothing rhythmic patting stimulates vital meridian flow, enhances blood circulation, releases deep muscle tension in tired legs, and calms the nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Three-way arm extension. Stand shoulder width apart and extend your arms straight forward, then straight overhead. And finally open wide to both sides. Moving through 3 planes engages your upper and mid-core to melt visceral fat, enhances lymphatic drainage, and releases frozen shoulder tension. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Neck flexion and extension. Stand tall with hands clasped behind your head. Draw your elbows forward as you tuck your chin. Then open your elbows wide as you gently lift your gaze. This mindful stretch decompresses cervical vertebrae, stimulates healthy blood flow to the brain, and releases chronic neck and upper back strain. Fantastic job! Practicing this daily for 2 weeks will gently melt stubborn visceral fat and restore your youthful energy. Which movement gave your body the best release today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and join me tomorrow.